I just saw someone on the forum having trouble with design layers, and I wanted to link them to a movie that showed how to import layers from other places, and I couldn't find it, so I just thought I'd make one. So the trick I've got is that sometimes when your files misbehave, you can import the design layer from another place. So let's have a look at this. This is my file. It's completely empty at the moment. I want to create a new design layer. So I go new. I then find the file that I'm looking for. I'm looking for creating drawings, so I'm going to click on choose. This is the file I want, creating drawings. I'm going to open that file, and I can import layers. Now the trick is you import the layer, find the layer, you import it, you import the layer objects, and remember I'm doing this into a completely blank file. I'm not going to edit the properties, but I'm going to import the layer object. So okay, and I'm going to, looks like I've got some of these things in here. I'm going to keep and use the existing. Let's go okay on that. Now it takes a little while as it thinks about importing all of those objects, so it's got to import all the walls, it's got to import every cabinet, and so sometimes it can take a while. So that's how you can import a design layer from another file. So it is a trick I use quite often, particularly if I've got a layer of details on another project that I want to import into this one. I will use this layer import trick to import the entire design layer with all my details. Hey, thanks for watching.